Am I not saying about my team's performance that a proper year-end review would finally make clear?
You're not really seeing kasi the output of the team if you are not measuring the metrics, no, the performance. Kasi you are just judging subjectively based on their effort, no. So I think I always say efficiency versus effectiveness. So, yes, you see them hardworking. I mean, going to work on time. They're being efficient, but at the end of the day, if you measure their actual output, do you see real outputs, or are you just judging them based on their efforts? So those are the things that you don't see if you are not objectively measuring their performance. And the way to measure it is through definition of KPIs, key performance indicators, which starts with KRAs, key result areas, and then from there you set targets. How do you set targets? Of course, you set targets based on your overall company. You don't set targets and get it from sa langit, di ba? You have to set it from your own company object, cascade it down per department, and then per department cascade it down per employee or per function. And every department should have properly defined KPIs.